Hello, welcome to Dataset. Today I am here again with another web scraping job from Upwork that I couldn't get. But we are trying to get the jobs and doing the jobs that we couldn't get as exercises. The post is not there anymore, so I cannot show it to you. But it was for $7 to $15 an hour, and the client wanted deliver some links from this website and want to get information from them in a CSV file. The client wanted to get the image URL, the URL of the company or brand. I don't know what are those. Uh, the base URL, which is the URL of this website that we are seeing them from. Since there are some different links, it was needed also. And this was all. Uh, let's go to the code and start doing this. By the way, the website is running on JavaScript, so we are going to use Selenium for this. I will write pip install Selenium. Okay, while it's installing from Selenium, import WebDriver, and also from selenium.webdriver.common.by import by, and I will from time I will import sleep. This is already in Python package. Okay, let's create a dictionary. I'll call it myDict is equal to, and I'm going to write here the data that the client wanted from us, from someone else. Okay, name, the image URL. Those are empty lists. We are going to append to those in our loop that we are going to write in a moment. And the page URL, which is the URL of the website that we are seeing them from. And I will add here something else, top or platinum. I will explain this later. Okay, now I will take the list of the links. I will copy and paste it in here. Those were the links that the client want to take the data from. You can find the GitHub link below, so you don't have to write those if you are coding along with me, hopefully. Okay, let's create our WebDriver. I'll first define the options. Options will be equal to WebDriver.Chrome options. Okay, options that argument, and it will be start maximized. This will give us the full screen, and also options that add experimental options, and this will be touch true. This will keep the driver open when while we are trying some operations on it. Let's create the driver. Driver is equal to WebDriver.Chrome, not options Chrome. We'll test the options here. Options is equal to options. Okay. Let's create our loop for website URL in. We are going to take this list, URL list, driver.get website URL. This is going to get us to those links one by one. And when we get to those links, I want to wait for 4 seconds. This will not take too much time because there are not a lot of links. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 9 of them. Okay. Now let's go to the web page and inspect the elements. Okay, this is the page. Let's right click and inspect this. I will close this from here. not here, from here. Okay. As you see, there are the items, and the color is changing from here. And this is about the top or platinum thing that I mentioned a minute ago. I will also inspect this one, and as you see, there are different. There are in different containers. So I don't know if the client wanted those them separately, or he or she just wanted just the above ones. I don't know that, so I will take all of them and add one more section to the Excel file and the CSV file that shows it is in here or in here. Okay, in here the brand list wrapper is the class name, and for the part below the class name is brand list wrapper and also platinum. So I will first choose this one, choose this container, and take the data from there. I will use this class name. The class name for this part is the same, but it is going to give us the first element that it saw on the page. So we will get this one, and we will use the platinum class name for this part. Okay, let's go to the code again. Top list is equal to driver that find element by class name, and it will be brand list wrapper. Okay, let's find the other one. Platinum list is equal to, it will be same with this one, but we will write here platinum. Okay, let's separate those. I will do the top list, and after that, most of the things will be equal for this. I'm going to copy those and paste it in here. Okay, now I got the top list. Actually, those are the containers. This is not a list. So get the items in this list, top list items. This is equal to, we are going to search in the top list container, top list dot find elements. This time we are going to get the list from here. And let's go to the page again. And as you see, all the items has a class name of brand item for the top and above ones. So we are going to use this again by class name, and it will be brand item. Let's create one more loop in this list for item in top list items. What are the things we are going to get? URL, name, image URL, base URL. Let's do them one by one. URL is equal to, we are going to search in this item dot find element. Let's go to the page and select one of them and inspect it. We are going to take the URL, and it is in this A tag. So we are going to take the A tag, select the A tag, and get the attribute of href from there. Find element by, this time I will use CSS selector. It is the A tag. There is just one A tag on, for every item. So this is enough. But get attribute, and I will write href in here. Then I will also append this to the URL section of our dictionary. URL. Okay, now let's take the name of the item. It is not shown in the website, but if you look at it closely, for example, for Lenovo, uh, the name of the brand is in here. Let's open it. Okay, the data name is giving us the name of the brand. So I'm going to use this to get the name. Item dot find element by CSS selector, And this this is also in the A tag. As you see, this data name is in A tag. So I will write get attribute again, and this will be data name. Let's append it here. Name, append, name. Now we are going to take the image URL. Image URL is equal to item find element, and let's look at it. The image URL is in here. If I open this in a new tab, as you see. So in this brand item, we are going to go to the source and take the src set from it by again CSS selector, and I will simply just take the source, and again I will get the attribute of src set. This will give us the image URL dictionary, that image URL that append image URL. Okay, now we are going to take the base URL, which is this. Actually, we are going to take those ones. So we will directly take the website URL for the base URL. Okay, I will write base URL is equal to website URL. Actually, we didn't have to write this. We could just directly append it to our dictionary. Base URL, that append base URL. And now we are going to write it is from the top or from the platinum part, platinum class name. Top or platinum is equal to directly top for those items, because we are doing it for the top list. Okay, that was all. Not all. We are going to append this to our dictionary. Top or platinum dot append top or platinum. Okay, we are done. Now I will just copy this and paste it in here. So this will be the list name here. This will be platinum list items, and we are going to take this here. Those will be the same, but just we are going to change this to platinum. Okay, now we are done. We are getting the data, all the data for all the links in our dictionary. We just need to take this dictionary and convert it to an Excel file. For this, I will install pandas. Let's import it while it's installing. Import pandas spd, and also I will import and install open PyExcel. Actually, the client wanted it to an in CSV form, but I will save it also in an Excel file to see more clearly. Pip install open PyExcel. Okay. Now we are done. We are going to create a data frame. Df is equal to pd.data frame, and I will put the dictionary in here. Now we are going to convert this to Excel and CSV. To Excel results, open the parentheses, results dot xlsx, and df.toCSV. I write results again dot CSV. Okay, let's run this. and hopefully we will see two results file in here. One is Excel, one is CSV. It is not opening uh, Chrome driver. We got an error. I think there is a typo in here. Yes, detach. Okay, let's run this one more time. Now it opens. It will take approximately 1 minute. Okay, it took a little time, but open the URL. Now it will wait for 4 seconds and take the data and go to the other link. As you see, we can now it is in here. It will go all of them and give us the data. I will now just jump to the end of the run. So the program finished running. Let me open the Excel file. I want to show you something. We got most of the data correctly, but if I open this image URL part, for some of them, actually, for most of them, we couldn't get the image URLs. This is because the page is not loaded, it doesn't load all the items when you just open it. We need to scroll down for this. Let me try to show it to you by copying some link, and let's paste this in here and open it. And after opening, I will scroll down, and as you saw, some items were not loaded. They are loaded after I scroll down. So we are going to scroll down when we get to the page. We will do this in here. I'll write driver dot execute script. We are going to write a small JavaScript code in here. Window dot scroll to, and it will be from 0 and document dot body dot scroll height. Okay, we are going to put semicolon here because this is JavaScript code. Okay, let's guarantee it and wait for 2 seconds in here. I already changed the output names to those results final, results final. Now let's run this and see what happens. Okay, I will just jump to the end of the run. The program finished running again. Let's open the file. I've got some bad news. We couldn't get all the image URLs again. So obviously, when you go to the end of the page, this time the top items are not loaded. So I'm going to try something in here. I just asked this to ChatGPT that if I can zoom out using Selenium. Let's try this together. Let's see if we can do this. Rather than scrolling down, I will comment this out. Okay, we are going to find the body element, and we are going to send keys to it, and we will try to zoom out in the page. Okay, let's find send the keys. Driver dot find element uh, by CSS selector, and I'll write body here, and I will write dot send keys. But the keys are not strings. We are going to imitate that we are pushing the button. So I will import the keys from Selenium WebDriver, from Selenium .WebDriver common keys import keys. Okay, now we are going to use this into send keys. I will write keys dot control plus keys uh, dot the minus button subtract key. Okay, let's open the web page. I have tried it already. Let me show you. This takes 6 times to get in here to see all of the items. Actually, most of the items, but I think it will be enough. Let's do 7. Okay, I will write 7 times to get to this view. Let's try this one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I will press this 7 times. I will take it in a loop for in range 7. Just do this, and after that, we will hopefully get the data if this works. Let me delete those because we are not going to. Uh, those are worthless for us because we couldn't get all the data. I will just delete them and run this again. Now it will wait for 4 seconds and hopefully after the loading, and then it will press the zoom out for 7 times. Now we are waiting for 4 seconds. If the send keys work in here, we are going to see that it zoomed out, but it didn't. Why is that? Let's come here. Let me stop the video in here, and I will come back when I solve this. Hello again. I've solved the issue. The send keys is not working for this, so I found something like this. We are again executing a JavaScript code. We will write document.body.style.zoom, and we will write the zoom for 25% in here. It was actually enough for most of the page, actually all of the page except this one, this ROPA, because this has the most number of pages and 25% zoom out was not enough for this. Because of that, I added this scroll down after this. Uh, by by doing this, we get all the items from also this ROPA tag. Let me show you the page of ROPA. In 25%, by the way, it's the maximum zoom out. It is like this, and there are some items in here. So by doing it like it, this is scrolling down and it takes all the elements on the page, and uh, it didn't also forget those from the top. Let me show you how it is going. Let me run this one more time, and I'll just show you on the first page the zoom out. It will open the page. After that, it will wait for 4 seconds and then zoom out. Zoom out to 25%, and it is like this. After that, it gets all the items and gets to the next URL. Okay, I'm closing this. I will show you the results where I get from here. I also added increase the waiting time from here from to 4 in here. Okay, let's open the Excel, the last Excel file, hopefully. As you see, we get all the data correctly. Those are the image URLs, and they are all different from one another. Okay, now we get all the data. I thought this would be much more simpler because it was really straightforward. It was looking very straightforward, but it is a good thing that we faced some issues and we managed to solve them. So that was all for this video. Thank you for listening. If you like the content, please subscribe to this channel because much more web scraping and that data related videos will be here in the future. Goodbye.